Hi friends, welcome to the video lecture series on importing data in a Python. So till now we have seen how one can read a very plain text file in a Python with the open function. Then we have seen about how to read a flat file .csv and .tsv with the help of two library, NumPy, the numerical Python library, and other one is the data analysis pandas library. Then we have seen .mat file, how one can read a very standard for the MATLAB matrix laboratory file. Now we are going to explore how one can read this Excel file. So we are going to use a pandas library for that. So let's start. So I have already kept one test.xls file in my working directory. So let's just open it and I'll show you what is there inside. Okay, so if you see this Excel file contain there is a total two sheets, sheet 1 and a sheet 2, and each sheet contains a number of records. So the sheet 1 contains the 10 record, the sheet 2 contains another 10 record. So let's see how we can read this thing in a with the help of pandas library. So let's make some necessary imports. So we'll just import pandas as a PD. And let me just run it. So we have successfully imported this pandas. Now we have one functions available in a pandas, which is nothing but the Excel file function. So we will apply Excel file function on the top of this PD, and we will supply test.xls, and let's assign it to the file because it's a file pointer to the where file already exists. Okay, so we have successfully created the file pointer, which is nothing but the pointing to the Excel file where it resides. Now if you see the type of this file variable, you can see it's a type of the Excel file type, which is the part of the pandas module, pandas.io.excel. Now let's see how one can read this individual sheet 1 and a sheet 2. So we have one properties available with us, which is nothing but the sheet name, which we can apply on a file variable. So we'll get to know about that, what are the sheet names are available as corresponding to that particular XLS file. So first one is the sheet 1 and another one is a sheet 2. Now let's see how we can read this individual sheet 1 and a sheet 2 into data frame object. So there are two ways we can do it. One is we can supply hard coded value like a sheet 1 and sheet 2. Otherwise we can give index like a 0 and 1, and it will create a data frame object for us. So we'll apply the parse method to parse particular sheet. So we'll supply like a sheet 1, and let's assign it to the df1, the first data frame object, and let's just run it. Now suppose we want to see some of the values, so we'll apply head function. So it will give us the top 5 records. Okay, so it has displayed this top 5 record for us. Now suppose we want to see the sheet 2, so we'll assign it to the df2. Okay, I have made a mistake, which is a sheet 2. Okay, so df2.head will give us the first 5 rows of the second sheet. Now if you see this df2.head, it has printed as the top 5 records. So same way we can supply like 0 and 1. So I'm going to assign it to the df3 and a df4. The same data frame object will be created if we supply the argument 0 and a 1. So 0 will be corresponding to the 1 sheet 1, and 1 will be corresponding to the sheet 2. So let's just run it and let's just observe it. Now if you print this df1, you can see the kind of values available, which is nothing but the corresponding to the sheet 1. And if you type this in df3, it is exactly same as df1. So this way we can read Excel file in a pandas library. Now once the datas are available in a pandas library in a form of data frame object, you can go and manipulate munging operation, cleaning operation, and all kind of operation which is possible on a data frame object, you can apply on it. So that's all about file reading, Excel file reading. In the next tutorial we are going to see more file reading in a Python programming language. So that's all about this lecture, friends. I hope you enjoy listening this video, and if you haven't understood anything, please write into the comment, and please do subscribe to my channel to support the channel.